Today, we are going to read one of Brave Benjamin Bunny series books. It's called Let's Play House by Maxine Slater and Bob Williams. Benjamin and Danny have nothing to do. Let's play house, says Danny. Okay, says Benjamin. Benjamin wants to wash the dishes. No, says Danny. That machine is for washing clothes. You wash the dishes in the sink. Danny puts the baby to bed. And all the teddies too. Benjamin tries to dust the cat. No, says Danny. Please dust the bookshelves. Danny bakes a cake. Benjamin lays the table. Tea time is something they are both good at. The end.